Bruv.
Listen,
You bought a fucking banana arm, you're telling me to do that?
You're riding around, look how many pedal bikes you got, you paedophile.
That's what you do when you're fucking 30.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
It is.
You move out, you have kids.
No. No. That's a myth.
We're heading around to HQ, that's where all the team gets their stuff done. We're talking oil changes, services, bike builds, car builds, and it's my friend Louis' garage. We call it HQ because it's where we all kind of jam. Basically have them not have KFC parties, I don't eat meat. But anyway, it's fine. Louis Weal, also known as the Wheelrus. He's doing a service for our Kawasaki KXF250. Not sure if I said that right because sometimes I see it as KX250F and sometimes, anyway, it doesn't matter. Bottom line is, bought all the service parts, got them over to him, and I'm gonna go check it out. All right, let's roll up on these flows. Oh.
Yo.
Where you at?
Currently indoors.
Oh, I'm outside your garage.
Oh, is it? Alright, give me like 5 minutes, alright? Because I ain't long been in from work.
Alright, cool. Peace. Say hello, Lou.
Exactly. Caught me off guard there, like on camera.
Here's the beast. Already put some levers on. I did that all by myself. It was lit. There's no reason why he's holding the spanner other than to assist
It's like
me.
one of them adverts. It's like...
But we've got the hose kit. Get my address out of the way. Got the hose kit. Got air filter. Got some lube. Enough lube in the place. I did forget the spark plug, but we're gonna get that later. Don't worry about it.
We can do that.
Mine not.
What'd you get, mate?
That's yours.
Man, like Deliveroo, you know.
2 chips.
Dan, say hello to the camera, man.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Have you got normal ones?
I've got to get you to do the hi guys, welcome to the channel, like and subscribe.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
It's your boy Louis.
If you want to see more videos like this, click in the box.
See, this is actually borderline training for you lot to start your thing. You two should just double up and do a channel, man.
Do you like it though?
I'm ringing the police.
Go on then, Dan, tell us about it.
Who's Dazza?
Just keeps on pointing. It's the fella I bought it on.
Who's the Dazza Massive?
My name's Danny, it can work, innit?
Oh yeah.
Dazza! Inside! I'll take the Dazza Massive inside.
Do not make loads of noise around here, please.
That one kick, boy. Yeah.
I'll go round and come up the hill.
Alright, cool. This is Danny being naughty. He knows he shouldn't be doing this, and on the Slipstream channel we don't actually endorse such behaviour, but it's so cool.
I'll cut off you right now. Cash money, but maybe some swaps. I've got bikes, push bikes, all the push bikes.
What do I want?
I'll
give you
swap that
6 for some fucking white boy push
You need a
bike
Gilera
shit.
for work.
Fuck that, I don't want a Gilera for
Last
work.
week you rang me out, I need a Gilera for
Yeah,
work.
but now I've got that.
You ain't use this for
You ain't
work.
riding that to work, Dan.
Where'd you work?
Fuck right, back.
I ain't got a helmet.
You've got about 17 over there.
Yeah.
Like literally right there.
They're for modelling purposes only.
When
That's
you
hardboard.
when you used to be a bike guy.
Do you want a helmet?
No, I sort of just want to ride my hood up.
Just go down.
I haven't been brought up like that, but make sure it's a bit naughty. Getting rebellious at 32.
Look how careful Lou is. Putting his helmet on. That's what I'm saying.
That's it, mate.
I've got a sprained ankle.
Wait,
You need someone to kick it for you.
don't throttle it, just one kick.
I know how to start it.
Don't like it.
Let Dan kick it for you.
White boy shit.
Seriously, around there, go on.
It's been a while.
What's your review, Lou? What do you reckon of it?
How much you want for it?
Give me £2 grand now, you can have it.
I'm gonna ask my mum.
I'm joking, it ain't. I'm raffling it next week.
I'll get a picture.
Hang on.
Oh, I want a picture and all. Watch out, watch out.
Try and make me look like I'm not fat. No, that's got a supermarket front disc on it.
Is it?
I see that front disc and I was thinking, why does it look so much meatier than mine?
It's a supermarket one. This needs supermarket.
You're thinking, that's a perfect commuter bike now, aren't you? It's not.
It'd be alright if you could leave it somewhere.
Yeah, you can't.
I would 100% get nicked every morning riding that through Greenwich like.
Yeah.
Like that 250 I bought off my boss, man. I can't believe that went bang on the first time. That bang.
That is
But then
weird.
everything happens for a reason, because now I've got this beautiful specimen, this great piece of engineering.
Indeed.
It's an ugly yellow colour, but I would do
I kind of like the yellow though, you
Yeah,
know.
I'm
I
not a big fan of
do.
it.
I've never liked the yellow on them either, but it looks good.
It was a bit racy. Your Dazza can fuck off.
Your Dazza.
Yeah, you're Dazza, bro.
Dazza. Drink Stella, goes home, Bixies.
That's not a Dazza.
That's a Dazza.
No,
What's a Dazza? Goes home from work, plays PlayStation.
Yeah,
Dazza. Works in the
that's a Dazza.
factory. Spends a weekend with a wife. Takes the kids round on Sundays.
His ringtone's like the Final Fantasy VII theme tune.
He's into what's that? Anime.
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 Do ya?
Yeah.
What? Do yas?
Yeah.
Yeah, animes with that still.
What, that fucking Japanese cartoon? Grow up, man.
No, what?
Honestly, grow up.
Bruv.
Listen, I
You bought a
accept.
fucking banana arm, you're telling me to do that?
You're riding around. Look how many pedal bikes you got, you paedophile.
That's what you do when you're fucking 30.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
It
You
is.
move out. You have kids.
No. No. That's a myth.
Don't buy shitty little pedal bike. Listen, I'll allow the pedal bikes, but if you I started watching anime and getting posters of that, yeah, I'm gonna have to fucking stand.
Well, I was a child when I started watching it.
Ah, you're gonna.
You never watched Dragon Ball Z?
No.
You're fucking...
What? Ah, frick.
You're a liar. You're a liar. You're a terrible
Oh,
person.
what are you talking about? Never heard of it. What's it about? Dragons?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Kind
I'll be
of.
dragging these nuts across your face later.